Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
How you doing? This looks really good.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Who did this?
I built the whole thing, man.
Awesome. Could you tell me your equipment, your name real quick?
My name is Michael Miller, and this is a fourth Order Bandpass, 2-1. Got a solid 8 in the back. Thank you.
Wow. What is it tuned to?
It's 2 and 2 around 42-ish, or
Okay.
42, 52-ish.
Yep.
So,
All right.
yeah. So that's my Instagram, Phyllis Scar.
Okay.
So,
I'll get one more.
a bunch of headway cells in the back.
It is? Okay. I'll check that afterward.
All right.
Have you metered it yet?
No, not yet. Not yet. Let's see here.
Good job, man. Really good job. Looks really clean too.
Shout out to these guys. These guys helped me out too.
Okay.
I kept my car in there. They let me
Okay.
keep the car in there and build it over
Yes,
the
sir.
winter. So.
Okay. Awesome. Can I check out the back real quick? Is it open? Nice. That's a tight fit.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a second one. Just one more.
You have a good day. Nice to meet you. That was a good demo. demo, man. That was insane.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.